Hi, beautiful friends. I'm Mira, your chef today. I'm so happy you're here with me. Stay close as I show you step by step how to cook real chicken fried rice from the very beginning. We'll start with simple ingredients: rice, fresh chicken, colorful vegetables, eggs, garlic, and soy sauce. Don't worry, I will guide you gently through every step so you can cook this perfectly at home. First, we wash the rice carefully. This removes extra starch and helps the grains stay soft and separate. Take your time here. This small step makes a big difference in the final fried rice. Now we cook the rice slowly in clean water until it becomes soft and fluffy. Let the heat do its quiet work. Good fried rice always begins with well-cooked rice. Cut the chicken into medium cooking cubes, then wash it gently in clean water. Clean, well-cut chicken cooks better and tastes fresher. Now we add simple seasoning, just salt and pepper to bring out the chicken's natural delicious flavor. Fry the chicken slowly until the color turns golden and the pieces become tender, juicy, and fully cooked inside. Garlic and vegetables bring fresh aroma, gentle sweetness, and beautiful color that makes fried rice feel alive. Soft scrambled eggs add warmth, richness, and comforting texture to our fried rice. Now the rice joins the pan, slowly soaking in all the beautiful flavors we prepared step by step. Soy sauce deepens the flavor and gives fried rice its classic rich golden color. Always taste before finishing. A small touch of seasoning makes the whole dish perfectly balanced. Fresh green onions add brightness, fragrance, and the final touch of life. Our homemade chicken fried rice is warm, colorful, and ready to enjoy. So soft, so warm, and made with love. Follow me, and let's keep cooking beautiful meals together.